Okay, good morning everyone. In today's class, I will teach you dictionaries in Python language. So definitions of dictionary I have already given. And if you want to write it again, note it down again. Dictionary. Dictionaries are mutable. I repeat, dictionaries are mutable, unordered. Dictionaries are mutable, unordered collections with elements in the form of key colon value pairs. I will give you the syntax and examples also. Just now you write definition. Dictionaries are mutable, unordered collections with elements in the form of key colon value pairs that associate keys to values. That associate keys to values. Now, you may be finding it the definition little different, but don't worry, it's same like you can say list or you have learned couple. What we do in list, we have an index number. Instead of index number, here we will use key. And then each index has some values. So that value part we have to write after the colon. Example I will give you here so that the concept will be very clear to you. I don't know Python is installed in this or not. Otherwise, I have to install Python on this system, either from the net or from the pen drive. First, I'm checking from pen drive. Just wait. Just a minute. Python is there or not? I have to find out. It is having Python but older version. So basic is also here. Not okay. What I will do, I will download from net only. It will not take much time. So Python is slow processing. Download Python org, and in this you will get Python 9, 3.9, 3.9.1 has come now. I will just click on the download. Okay. Download Python 3.9.1. Just click, see here it is downloading. Once it is downloaded, open and install it. Always add this path, add Python 3.92 path, and then you click on install now. Installing Python. Meantime, I will share screen for you also, so that whatever is happening here, you will be able to see it. Share screen. Share. Now see, setup is going on. Setup is in progress. 1 or 2 minutes it will take. Python launcher is installed in Python 3.9, etc. Just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Python 3.91 pip bootstrap 64-bit. It is installing at present. Now see here, setup has successful. Python installed, you just click on close, and then you start Python. You have to simply go here, start button, and you will see that Python is there with IDLE version, IDLE Python 3.9 bit. Click on it. As you will click on it, Python will open here. And as I have shared the screen for you, so you will be able to view it. Now, in case you want to make the font little bigger, you go to the option configure IDLE, and then here you see the size. You can increase the size. At present, you go to 14, so that whatever I type here is clear. See here, the font is now bigger. Even you want to expand it more, you go to the configure IDLE. Instead of 14, you take it to 18 and just click on apply, OK, and see the font now is very visible. Now come here, click on the new file, and what I was teaching you, dictionary. Now for dictionary, what you have to take, suppose you have to write dictionary, then like in list, you use square bracket, in tuple, you use round bracket, parenthesis, and in dictionary, you have to use curly bracket. The first grammar I am writing here, you have to write here key and then colon, you have to write value. This could, you can say key 1 and then you can say value 1. After that, again key, and that will be the key 2, and then value 2, dot, and close. This is the way key colon value. That is the format, actual format here. So I will give you now an example of dictionary. Now key is like index number and value which you give in index. For example, if I'll take your example of a list, suppose I'll give here b is equals to square bracket 4, 5, 6. So these 4, 5, 6 are the values of list, where 4 is at index number 0 and 5 is at index number 1 and 6 at index number 2. Understood? So same way, instead of index number, we are having a key. If you want to write the key value as 0, you can write, or you want to write the key value as sadhaka, you can write. It's up to you. Values also. But remember one more thing. When the values are numerical, don't give in quotes, because in quotes the values are considered as text. So that you remember. Whenever text comes, then you have to write in quotes. Otherwise, once the numerical values are there, then you have to simply write it without the quotes. Okay, these points are clear. Then I will use a concrete example, solid example of the dictionary, and then you will be able to write programs. So I'm taking here a dictionary. So for dictionary, I'm using D for dictionary. So D I'm using. After that, curly. Suppose I want to keep value as RNO. I can take RNO colon. The value is 1. So no need of giving in quotes. Next is your name. It could be in single or double quotes as you wish. Name. So name and then colon. Suppose I want to write Abhi. So Abhi. Single quote, double quotes is not the problem. Then you have to write the total marks. So I write total. And then suppose I'm writing colon 100 and then close, and finally we are writing print D and run it. Run module. Okay. Suppose the file name I'm giving here is dictionary1, dict1, save. Once you run this program, you see the values are coming as RNO1 name as. Normally we list also we get square bracket. So here this is the key value and this is the key and this is the value. This is the key, this is the value. This one is the key and this one is the value. For example, you want to print for I in D and then you write print I this way. So now we started programming. Let's see here. What will be the result? You are getting the result as RNO name. That means I is for key. So what I will write? RNO, and then you want to give some space. And then if you write it here, I square bracket, or you want to write it as the value also, then you have to write D square bracket I will give you a different example also. Just now I am giving you simple RNO, DRNO. Okay. Instead of DI, instead of DRNO, RNO will come with I. Now see the result. What is the result of this? अभी मैं थोड़ा और explain कर देता हूँ इसे. तो roll number 1, name अभी and total 100. Understood? Now, if some doubts are there, then I will just give a remark to this. That is triple comment I am writing here. Triple quotes are giving. That is for the comment. Now, what I am doing here, just see here. Print. अगर आपको value print करना है, then you have to write D and then RNO. This way. Wait. Dictionary की अपन. Okay. Print D square bracket R RNO. जैसे RNO दिया है आपने वैसे ही लिखिएगा. RNO. मैं एक बात समझा दूं पहले तो आपको बात क्लियर हो जाएगी. तो आप सिंगल वैल्यू को भी डिस्प्ले करा सकते हैं. बेटा प्रोग्रामिंग सीखना होता है लाइफ में. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ सी हियर द रिजल्ट. व्हाट रिजल्ट यू आर गेटिंग? 1. Why we are getting 1? Because you are printing the value. How to print value? You have to print a dictionary name, and then you are in square bracket. You have to write the key in. That is RNO. If you are writing, suppose print D square bracket name. Okay. So what happens? It will print name for you. Run. Okay. So roll number has printed by this and name is it. अब ये सब चीजें इंडिविजुअल वैल्यूज के लिए हैं. अगेन आई एम लीविंग दिस फॉर यू. आई एम नॉट डिलीटिंग इट, सो यू जस्ट नोट इट डाउन. But if you want to print a complete list, then you have to give only print round bracket D. That's it. So complete dictionary is printed in curly braces. That you know, I have already shown. But if you want to display like RNO 1, RNO 2, etc., then the best way is to display like for I in D this way. Understood? इसको ही मैं बंद कर रहा हूँ ताकि आपको बात समझ में आ जाए. ये these things are not printed. So finally, I am coming to the looping concept. That is for I in D, and then see here. This is the better way of printing the result. Name this. If your point is clear, then I will go ahead. Please note down this, and now I'll go to the next point. So अब आपको अच्छी तरह समझ में आया. RNO is the key, 1 is the value. If you want to print directly one value, then you have to write print dictionary name square bracket whatever the keys are there. अगर की न्यूमेरिक है तो कोट्स में नहीं लिखना है. If की टेक्स्ट है then you have to write in quotes. This you remember. Okay. And how to access? ये point आप लिख लीजिए. Accessing elements of a dictionary. Accessing a dictionary of element कैसे करते हैं? You write dictionary name. If you want to write to access element of a dictionary, we write dictionary name in square bracket. We write key. That way we access. Understood? To access element of a dictionary, what do we do? We write dictionary name square bracket and then the value, then the key value. That is D square bracket. First dictionary name, then in square bracket key name, whatever the key name, RNO name, total. Next point is this I have taught you about the traversing a dictionary. In book it's written traversing a dictionary. Traversing is visiting each element. So 1, 2, 3 elements are there, 1, abhi and 100. So if you want to go for a loop, using a loop and then display value, that is a traversing each elements. So you have to write for I in D and then you write print I and then D of I. बात समझ में आ रही है? आप लिस्ट में भी ट्रेवर्स करते हैं, आप कपल में भी ट्रेवर्स करते हैं, सब में वही तरीका है। लाइक लिस्ट यू राइट फॉर आई इन ए एंड प्रिंट आई, एक एक करके वैल्यू प्रिंट हो जाती है आपकी। सेम now in book it is given a question here, write a program to create phone dictionary for all your friends and then print it. I will take the book example. You have to make a phone dictionary. What do you have to do? Right question. Write a program to create a phone dictionary for all your friends and then print it. Then print it. Then print it. So ये प्रोग्राम मैं आपके लिए कर लूँ, ये प्रोग्राम आपने कर लिया. Now next program I am going to do it for you. So I have to create a friend dictionary. So I will create a friend dictionary. FD नाम दे दो. This is simply an identifier. You can write any name. मेरी शक्ल थोड़ी छोटी दिख रही तो बड़ा कर दूँ. For a dictionary में मैंने curly bracket यहाँ लगा दिया. And then what I am writing first. Suppose your friend name is राज. ओके, उसका फोन नंबर है कुछ भी, मुझे नहीं पता, मैं ऐसे ही लिख रहा हूँ. देन योर नेक्स्ट फ्रेंड है रवि, तो रवि, और उसका फोन नंबर है समथिंग लाइक दिस. ठीक है, 10 डिजिट होते हैं, मगर मैं ऐसे ही, मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ, मैं ऐसे ही. देन अभी है फ्रेंड, सपोज उसका कुछ नाम है, मनोज है, कुछ भी नाम लो, मनोज है, कोई भी है, हमें नहीं पता. सो यू जस्ट टेक इट. ओके, एक और ले लो, कनिष्का है, कनिष्का, कनिष्का, you take Kanishka and then you write the name as this. Okay, after that simply if you print, then तो what happens, पहले ये देख लो, सिंपल प्रिंट कर दीजिए. इतने ही फ्रेंड है मेरे, 1 2 3 4 5 फ्रेंड्स भी है. You can have 50 friends, your wish, but just an example. So I have only 5 friends. So print FD and then I will run this program. So this will not give you a better output. So this, it will come like this, Raj, this, do this. So what I will do, I will print the friend name, that is my key, and then the phone number. So I will use a loop for I in FD, and then what I will write, print. So I is a name होगा, है ना, and then और उसका जो फोन नंबर है, फोन नंबर इज मनोज का फोन नंबर है, क्या है, ठीक है, जो भी फोन नंबर है वो आना है यहाँ पर, तो कॉमा लगा दूंगा. एंड देन आई विल राइट इट एज डिक्शनरी नेम एंड देन इंडेक्स नेम. Okay. Then it will give you the value. Here I will display as index and this will display as value. Once I'll print this program, see some error has come for I in लिखना भूल गए, in run. Okay. Now see here. Raj phone number is this, Ravi phone number is this, Abhi phone number is this, Manoj phone number is this, Kanishka phone number is this. So this is the way to see the program in such easy way. These concepts you have to learn for further studies. This is going to help you. When I will teach you in 12th class, dictionary surely will come in. Programming like files programming and programming is there, we will use surely. And in projects making also, this dictionary will be helpful. So note down this program and go for some. So once it is noted down or you have taken the screenshot, I'll go for the next. The next concept is noted down. accessing keys or values simultaneously, accessing keys or values simultaneously. आप ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं accessing all keys and accessing all values. मुझे एक बार सारी वैल्यूज चाहिए, उसके लिए फंक्शंस होता है, यू राइट इट डिक्शनरी डॉट कीज, जो भी डिक्शनरी नेम डॉट कीज विल डिस्प्ले ऑल द कीज टुगेदर। आपको मैं लिख दूं यहाँ पे, जैसे एफ डी डॉट कीज विल डिस्प्ले all the keys together, or fd dot values will display all the values together. अब इसके आगे प्रिंट लगा दो दोनों के, देखो कुछ भी नहीं, प्रिंट, and here also you write print. See here, all the dictionaries are printed together and all the values are printed here. So two different things are there. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया? Next point, you write some definitions also for your exam point of view. Characteristics of a dictionary. Characteristics of a dictionary. Dictionaries like characteristic number one, you write characteristic, you have to write a point wise, you write better. Number one, you write dictionaries are mutable. Dictionaries are mutable and we can change value at its place. Second characteristic you write, first is dictionaries are mutable, we can change value at its place. Second, unordered set, it is an unordered set of key colon values. Keys colon value या key colon value ऐसे लिख लो. It is an unordered set of key colon value pairs. हमेशा key value होती है, इसमें ध्यान रखो. We have always a key and value. ऑर्डर नहीं है, आप देखो मैंने R पहले लिया है, M बाद में, कनिष्ठ के बाद में, कोई भी ऑर्डर हो सकता है. Like list and all are ordered collection. They are having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 index number. इसमें की में जरूरी नहीं कि पहले 0 हो या A हो या B हो, कुछ भी आप कर सकते हैं ऑन ऑर्डर. नेक्स्ट इज नॉट अ सीक्वेंस. उसमें सीक्वेंसिंग वैल्यू होती है कि 0 के बाद 1 ही आएगा, 1 के बाद 2 आएगा लिस्ट में, इसमें ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. सो नॉट अ सीक्वेंस, ज्यादा मत लिखो. नेक्स्ट, इसमें जो इंडेक्स होता है वो कीज होते हैं. तो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट यू राइट इंडेक्स बाय कीज नॉट नंबर्स. कीज नंबर भी हो सकती है, टेक्स्ट भी हो सकती है, एबीसीडी कुछ भी हो सकती है. तो राइट इट इंडेक्स बाय कीज नॉट नंबर्स. ये पॉइंट जरूर रखना कि कीज मस्ट बी यूनिक. कीज मस्ट बी यूनिक. इतने पॉइंट्स काफी है. ओके अब मैंने आपको जो फर्स्ट पॉइंट था, ये इनिशियलाइजेशन वाला मेथड समझा दिया था. इनिशियलाइजेशन अ डिक्शनरी. सो सिंपल डिक्शनरी के लिए क्या करते हैं कि डिक्शनरी के एक नाम लेते हैं, देन यू हैव टू राइट कर्ली ब्रैकेट एंड देन यू हैव टू टेक की वैल्यू. दिस वे यू गो. अंडरस्टूड? ओके. once this part is completed, file सेव. मैं सेव करके ही रखूं. इनिशियलाइजेशन आपका समझ में आ गया है। अब मैं आपको नेक्स्ट पॉइंट जो पढ़ा रहा हूँ इनिशियलाइजेशन के बाद वो नोट करो। एडिंग की कोलन वैल्यू पेयर्स टू एन एम्प्टी डिक्शनरी। एडिंग की कोलन वैल्यू पेयर्स टू एन एम्प्टी डिक्शनरी। अब मैं आपको इसको समझाऊंगा, इसको आप समझना। ठीक है, देखो मैं क्या कर रहा हूं। अब मैं पहले कुछ भी वैल्यूज नहीं लूंगा। पॉइंट है आपका एडिंग की कोलन वैल्यूज टू एन एम्प्टी डिक्शनरी। सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग हियर, सबसे पहले आपने डिक्शनरी लिया इज इक्वल्स टू, सिंपली आप कर्ली ब्रैकेट करके एम्प्टी भी कर सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं करने की। एंड देन यू राइट डी स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट आर एन ओ स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट is equals to 101, d square bracket name square bracket is equals to, सर रजी कर लो क्या फर्क पड़ता है, ठीक है। एंड देन यू प्रिंट डी। देखो डिफरेंट तरीका है, मैं जो समझा रहा हूँ आपको। पहले डिक्शनरी में कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं, इनिशियली इट इज एम्प्टी एंड देन वी आर एडिंग वैल्यूज टू इट। तो दिस इज अ वेरी सिंपल वे ऑफ डूइंग इट, मैं इनपुट करके भी दिखा दूंगा। सो देखो RNO 101 नेम सर रजा। अब जैसे आपको 5 फ्रेंड्स के फ़ोन नंबर ऐड करने हैं, शुरू में आपने डिक्शनरी एम्प्टी ली। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, ट्राई टू गेट दिस कॉन्सेप्ट। सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इट हियर, what we have to do it here, we have to generate a loop. We have to generate a loop for I in range. आप चाहो तो n नंबर्स भी कर सकते हो, आप n पहले डिफाइन कर लो। अभी प्रोग्रामिंग शुरू है। int इनपुट एंटर n फॉर I in range n, ये तो मेरे नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स के लिए हैं। Now what I will do it here, I will simply here RNO is equals to, or you want to see the name, name is equals to input enter name of your friend, okay? Name of your friend, ठीक, ये आपने एंटर किया। देन नेक्स्ट में आपसे ये पूछेगा कि एंटर फोन नंबर, तो PH कर दो इज इक्वल्स टू INT लेने चाहते हो तो ले लो, इनपुट एंटर फोन नंबर, फोन नंबर। इट्स नॉट अ वेरी big chapter, 1 or 2 class it will be finished. After that you have to write it in dictionary. So what you have to write, D square bracket name is equals to PH, that's it. तो D स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट नेम की हो गया, वहाँ पे डिफाइंड डिक्शनरी में, PH में इसकी वैल्यू हो गई। एंड वंस ऑल दिस वैल्यूज आर कंप्लीटेड आई हैव टू राइट इट हियर, प्रिंट simple D, and then I will, after that I will generate loop also. So run, okay. What happens for I in range, क्यों लिख दिया I in n, सिंपल लूप ले रहे हैं। तो सपोज मैंने लिखा 2, तो मैं 2 नेम एंटर करूंगा। INT ऑब्जेक्ट इज नॉट इरिटेबल, क्या हो गया भाई, फॉर I in INT फॉर I in range लो ना यार, रेंज 0, ग्रामर भूल जाते हैं, रन, ओके। वेट, इसको पहले क्लियर कर देता हूँ, ओके रन इट। सो 2 वैल्यूज, रेंज इज स्पेलिंग, रेंज लो, रेंज, रन इट, ओके, एंटर 2, एंटर नेम ऑफ योर फ्रेंड, जैसे जो मैंने कहा था ना, जैसे नाम दे दो मनोज, एंटर फोन नंबर, कुछ भी कर दिया, ठीक है। एंटर नेम ऑफ योर फ्रेंड रवि, फोन नंबर कुछ भी एंटर कर दिया. नाउ सी हियर मनोज एंड रवि, टू ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स प्रिंटेड हियर. अगर आप इसको डिस्प्ले करना चाहते हो, आप इसको नहीं देना चाहते हो, मैं इसको रख लेता हूँ और उसके बाद आप सपोज प्रिंट displaying list of friends name with phone numbers, and then I will write it here for I in D, and then same way print I phone number is Manoj, phone number is, space दे दो ताकि ये close नहीं दिखे, is, and then you write D of I and run it. This is the last program I am teaching today. I have to go for the next class. Okay. Now see here, I am giving value to any name, Ravi, phone number कुछ भी, then Rakesh, कुछ भी नाम ले लो, phone number कुछ भी, and then enter. So you are displaying list of friends name with phone numbers. Ravi phone number is this and this. ठीक है? So that's all today. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Stop share. Bye. Take care. If still problem is there, एक बार और देख लो. Suppose आपने नहीं लिखा है, so मैं आपको program दिखा दूँ फिर से. This is the program because I have next class, that's why I was in a hurry. So dictionary program, you take the screenshot or you write it down. This video will be there, so you pause it and see. Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Bye.